Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today is my 12th day of English speaking. So if you ask me what I am doing to improve my English, so answer is same. I am doing nothing apart from uploading the 4 to 5 minutes videos. So it is the big task to speak in front of camera for me, but I have committed that I have to speak daily basis 3 to 4 minutes. That's why I am speaking. I am making video today also, and my pet is saying me to going outside, but now it's 4 o'clock, and I will play with him in the evening, and evening is the best part of him to play. So I play with him with ball, and I also take him to go for a walk, and at that time they would be very happy. So it is the daily routine of him. All day they sleep in AC room and staying inside the room, because in outside temperature is very high, and my pet has long hair, so it feel too much hot. That's why he stay in AC room or under the fan. So now in the evening time they continue saying me to play outside with ball, but I will go outside at 5 o'clock. So yes, now summer season is going on, so there is lots of mango in my area, but in my area as well as in market, lots of mango. So I have eaten now mango, and at this time 5 o'clock is it is 5 at this time it is 5 o'clock. And yesterday my daughter and my son had the plan to go swimming, to go had the plan to go for a swimming. So they all insist me to go with them. So i also I had also gone with them. Continuously I was denying that because I had to go to take milk, but they told me that they take milk after when they came back. So when they will came back, so I also went him. I don't know to swim, and I didn't swim, but my both the kids know how to swim, so they both go. And today they will also go to swim, but today I will not go because I have missed from last 2 days my walking. So I have to go for a walk, and I also play with my pet. I have to play with my pet. And I am uploading daily video, but at the time when I pick up my phone, at that time I forgot but to speak. And on daily, what should I speak? If I tell about my daily routine, then what I tell about my daily routine? What should I tell? Because usually my daily routine is same, and some has the idea to speak a little thing like this clutcher. They can speak on this clutcher for a long time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. But when it times to speak for me, then at that time I fumble, words doesn't come in my mind. So lots of phobia to speak English in front of camera. And I also know that I am doing lots of mistake when I speaking English. But I am after then, even though I am speaking, because I have heard that if you speak more and more, you can learn more and more. And it is the best way to speak. It is the best way to improve your English by speaking. So the question is arise with whom we are speaking. So in my home, no one feel comfortable to speak in English. That's why I am speaking in front of camera. And only 10 day I speak only 3 to 4 minutes. But I feel easy to make videos on modal verbs as well as tenses instead of speaking my daily routine or speaking anything else, because at the time of I I had I have to think. I had to think before I speak. But at that time, in front of camera, there is no much time to think. So what comes in my mind? What at that time, what comes in my mind? I speak continuously. Wrong, whatever I am speaking wrong, whatever I am speaking right. So doesn't matter. I don't think. But I am speaking. But at that time, I continuously speaking, and if I continues my this practice at least I think 2 to 3 months, then I will be improved myself. Otherwise, this is very difficult to improve myself. So if the question is arise, why do you want to improve my yourself? Because it's my hobby, desire to speak English fluently. So that's why I am making these videos, and that's why I have made this channel, because I am free at home. So I thought that why should I improve myself. So that's why I am making these videos. I think it's enough for me. So thank you for watching. If you want to improve your English with me from my channel, from my videos, then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.